Namaskar, I, Supriya Priyadarshini, welcome you to our YouTube channel, The Jharya. Today, we'll reflect on the socio-cultural reality of the Sunabeda Plateau and prehistoric site Bhainsamundi of Nuapada district of Odisha. There has also been an effort being made on requesting the Government of India to include this part of the state in the Swadesh Darshan scheme under the spiritual or rural heritage circuit. The worship of mother goddesses cult in India can be divided into two major categories, such as fertility and those which were related to place. Especially earth and mountain related cult were found in Himalayan and peninsular tribes. In Hinduism, it has been admitted as Durga and worshipped as Basantika and Saradiya Puja all over India. On the other hand, the fertility cult was followed by the tribe of northwest of India. The fertility concept of worship of Shakti has a symbolic form as Yoni, which is purely a tantric tradition based on yoga. The plant fount of totemic culture of tribes accumulate alchemical knowledge from plant like animal fount. These concepts of tribes were the originator of Ayurvedic and Tantric alchemic. At present, the Varseni of Bhaisadani is the icon of past. The fertility cult was provided a fertile soil in which the Kuala Jnana Nirnaya Tantra is grown. It is right to say that the clan stream of Pat starts to flow from western Odisha and mingles in the Bay of Bengal at Assam. During excavation of different sites, 8 numbers of Yoni stones are traced in Nuapada district, out of which one of them is Bhairaviyantra. There was phallic worship in the Indus Valley and sculpture discovered at Mohenjo-daro, which prove that Shiva and Shakti were worshipped in symbolic form of Linga and Yoni. The discovery of Yoni at Maraguda Valley, which has similarity with Mohenjo-daro findings, proves contact of the people of this valley with the people of Indus Valley and also proves the influence of socio-religious culture among them. This unique pantheism definitely takes back the history of the human antiquities of Odisha province to the Indus Valley civilization period and is one of the oldest Shakta archaeological antiquities of Odisha. Sunabeda Plateau of Nuapada is the nest of ancient tribal culture and also a site of historical, anthropological and cultural junction of Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. The spectrum of hilltop, the streaming sound and the roar of tiger is romantic, and the most attractive is the honesty and simplicity of the tribal people living here. On the hilltop of Sunabeda range, a tribal community is found called Bhunjia, who are a division of Kolarian group. This tribe is divided into two endogenous groups such as Chokhutia or Chakutia Bhunjia and Chinda Bhunjia. The former of these have arrow marriage system and the kitchen are separated from their main house at a distance. They have been worshipping a folk goddess called Sunadei. The mythic origin of Sunadei is related to Buddhadev. The god Buddhadev had 7 sisters and Sunadei is the eldest among them. With the permission of her elder brother Buddhadev, she set out for pilgrims to the neighboring region of Dandhakarni. She unwittingly became pregnant there. It happened while she was enjoying the heat of fire, that is of the Mahabharata version, or the witness of water where Shiva meditated, Shiva Purana version. She placed before Buddhadev all the evidence of her innocence. The judgment was that if you are innocent, then who goddess turns round this region into gold. This is the myth of Sunabeda and Sunadei. She gives birth to a strong and brilliant child who is famous in the tribal root as Bhimsen or Bhimrao or Gabhirmsen. The later development of the myth Bhimadev became the chief agriculture officer of Buddhadev. Further, in the Jonk River Basin at Noapada district, 11 Acheulean, 3 Middle Paleolithic and 29 Mesolithic sites have been discovered, which is required for conservation of tribal heritage.